Assalamualaikum. My name is Aisha Arana binti Rashdan. My team members is Koyum and Sharir. Today we are going to present to you about our mini project, which is smart waste management. Okay, so for the introduction, waste management has become an important issue, especially in urban areas where the amount of waste generated continues to increase. In many places, waste bins are still monitored manually by cleaning personnel. As a result, bins may overflow before they are emptied, causing unpleasant odors, environmental pollution, and health risks due to the spread of bacteria. To address this problem, we developed a smart waste management system using the Amiga 64 microcontroller. So the system uses an ultrasonic sensor to continuously measure the waste level inside the bin. Based on the measured distance, the microcontroller estimates the fill level and displays the information on a LCD. When a waste level reaches approximately 80% capacity, the system activates both LED and a buzzer to notify users that the bin should be emptied. So this project demonstrates how embedded systems can be used to improve waste management by providing a simple, low cost, and automated monitoring solution. So the objectives of this project are focused on improving the user's experience in managing waste. Firstly, the system helps users monitor the waste bin fill level automatically by eliminating the need for frequent manual inspections. Secondly, it provides real-time information about the current waste level through the LCD display, which allow users to check the status of the bin at any time. Another objective is to notify users when the waste bin reaches approximately 80% capacity, which is achieved by activating the LED and a buzzer providing both visual and audible alerts so that the bin can be emptied before it overflows. So, in addition, the system helps reduce overflowing waste bins, which contributes to a clean environment, better public hygiene, and improved waste collection efficiency. Overall, this project demonstrates how technology can support smarter and more sustainable waste management for both users and the community. So the scope of this project focuses on developing a smart waste management system within a simulation environment. So the system is designed to monitor the field level of waste bin using an ultrasonic sensor. The sensor continuously measures the distance between itself and the waste surface, and this information is processed by the Amiga 64 microcontroller to estimate the bin fill percentage. So the calculated information is displayed on the LCD, allowing user to easily view the current waste level and system status. Whenever the waste level reaches approximately 80% capacity, the system automatically activates an LED and a buzzer to notify users that the waste bin requires collection. For this project, all hardware connections were designed and tested using Proteus Design Suite, while the embedded C program was developed using Microchip Studio. This allowed us to verify the functionality of the system before any physical implementation. However, there are several limitations to our project. The system is only implemented in simulation, so it has not been tested on actual hardware. It also does not include wireless communication or IoT features for remote monitoring. In addition, advanced functions such as automatically control waste segregation or cloud-based data storage are beyond the scope of this project. Despite this limitation, the simulation successfully demonstrates the fundamental operation of an embedded smart waste monitoring system.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Syarif Adam bin Muhammad Samsudin. So today I will present our block diagram. So we choose ultrasonic sensor as our input. This sensor is responsible to detect our waste level uh, and send the data to microcontroller. Next, our microcontroller is Mega 64. It will receive data from the ultrasonic sensor and calculates the fill percentage of the bin and controls all the output device. Next, our output LCD display. It will display real-time information. As example, percentage 80% and the status full or okay. Next, microcontroller will activate LED and buzzer if percentage more than 80% or equal to 80% to notify the user the bins need to be empty. So next, I will present our program flowchart. This program start with the analyzation phase. In this stage, the Atmega 64 microcontroller configure all the ports, initialize the LCD display, and set up for the ultrasonic sensor. After the analyzation, the program enter the main loop, which runs continuously. Then the microcontroller will read the value from the ultrasonic sensor. Then it will calculate the bin fill percentage by mapping the measured distance to a value between 0% to 100%. Next, the program will update the LCD display to show the current percentage and status, such as example, percentage 20%, status OK, or 90%, status penuh. Next, there will be a decision point. If the fill percentage is 80% or higher, the program will activate the alerts, turning on the LED and the buzzer. If the percentage is below 80%, the LED and buzzer will remain off. Finally, the program includes a short delay around 500 milliseconds before repeating the entire loop.
Assalamualaikum. Nama saya Ahmad Qayyum bin Muhammad Al-Wajid, nombor matrik TG25077. Saya akan present simulation project dan juga coding explanation. So, kumpulan kami telah memilih projek Smart Waste Management di mana tong sampah akan memberikan amaran apabila kapasiti sudah mencapai 80%. Antara komponen yang kami gunakan adalah ultrasonic sensor yang disambungkan pada port D. Kemudian untuk output, kami pakai LED dan juga buzzer yang disambungkan pada port B dan juga LCD yang disambungkan pada port A. So kalau tengok kat sini, kita telah setkan ketinggian tong sampah adalah 50 cm. Jadi apabila jarak antara sampah dan juga ultrasonic sensor adalah 50 cm, LCD akan memaparkan kapasiti 0% dan status tong sampah adalah OK. Apabila kita kurangkan jarak antara ultrasonic sensor dan juga sampah, LCD akan memaparkan kapasiti tong sampah yang makin bertambah. Kemudian apabila kapasiti tong sampah mencapai 80%, LED akan menyala dan buzzer akan berbunyi untuk memberikan amaran kepada pengguna, dan juga LCD akan memaparkan status penuh. Seterusnya kita pergi kepada coding explanation. Untuk coding ni pertama sekali saya define dan saya setkan pin untuk setiap komponen supaya lebih senang untuk saya tulis coding. Kemudian saya setkan perimeter saiz tinggi untuk tong sampah iaitu 50 cm. Kemudian saya buat function LCD command. So fungsi LCD command ni adalah untuk hantar arahan ke LCD seperti clear screen dan sebagainya. Jadi disebabkan kami hanya menyambung 4 wayar data daripada LCD ke Atmega 64, jadi kita tak boleh menghantar 8 bit data sekaligus. So saya gunakan teknik bit masking iaitu CMMD N0xF0 ni untuk menghantar 4 bit pertama. Kemudian saya gunakan bit shifting sebanyak 4 kali ke kiri untuk menghantar baki 4 bit ke wayar yang sama. Kemudian saya buat function LCD init. Fungsi LCD init ni adalah untuk setup awal LCD apabila sistem mula-mula dihidupkan. So dalam LCD init ni kita call LCD command untuk setup awal LCD. Kemudian saya buat function LCD print. Fungsi LCD print ni adalah untuk kita mencetak perkataan ataupun teks di skrin LCD. Seterusnya kita pergi ke bahagian utama program. Mula-mula sekali saya setkan input dan juga output untuk setiap port. Kemudian saya call function LCD init untuk start kita punya LCD. Kemudian ini adalah coding untuk ultrasonic sensor. So pertama sekali sistem akan menghantar isyarat pulse height melalui trigger pin untuk melepaskan gelombang ultrasonik ke dalam tong sampah. Apabila gelombang itu melantun balik selepas terkena permukaan sampah, pin echo pin ni akan bertukar menjadi high dan kita gunakan delay 58 microsecond sebab gelombang bunyi ambil masa 58 microsecond untuk gerak 1 cm pergi dan balik. Jadi setiap 58 microsecond echo pin high, jarak adalah 1 cm. So selepas sistem dapat dia punya jarak, dia akan masukkan ke dalam formula peratusan. Kemudian apabila dia dapat nilai peratus, kita call LCD command dan juga kita gunakan sprintf untuk memaparkan peratusan di skrin LCD. Kemudian sistem akan check kita punya peratusan. If peratus greater than 80, kita akan hantarkan nilai 1 kepada LED pin dan juga buzzer pin untuk menghidupkan LED dan membunyikan buzzer. Dan kita call LCD command dan LCD print untuk memaparkan status tong sampah. Else, jika peratus less than 80, kita akan hantar nilai kosong ke LED pin dan juga buzzer pin untuk padam LED dan tutup buzzer. Kemudian kita call LCD command dan LCD print untuk display status OK di skrin LCD.
So next, I will present our discussion section. In this project, we are pleased to report that the Smart Waste Management System performed successfully during the simulation in Proteus software. The ultrasonic sensor was able to detect the waste level accurately, and our microcontroller ATmega64 processed the data smoothly to calculate the correct fill percentage. The LCD display show clear and real-time information about the bin's capacity and status. When the bin reached approximately 80% full, the LED turn on and the buzzer activate immediately. This providing both visual and audio alert as our plan. Lastly, our conclusion: this project has been successfully complete. We have developed and simulate a smart waste management system using ATmega64 as microcontroller, ultrasonic sensor as input, LCD display, LED, and buzzer for our output. All the main objective of the project were achieved. The system is able to monitor the waste level in real time, display the percentage and status clearly on the LCD, and automatically trigger the LED and buzzer when the bin reach or more than 80% of waste. Uh, this project has given us valuable experience in microcontroller programming using C language and hardware interfacing with various components. The simulation result in Proteus prove that the system is stable and function as expected. So that's all from us. Thank you.